Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're watching this on Instagram, hit that follow button. If you're watching this on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video. Here is my silver cut crease. I kind of was just trying to match my camo shirt and pants with my makeup. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. I won't be doing a detailed voiceover. All product used will be in my description box. If you have any questions, let me know. And as always, I appreciate all the love and support. Guys, there you have a very completed look. Stay tuned for my next video, which will be my army camouflage green wing liner. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Stay safe, everybody. Bye. Thank you for watching.